Hi, I'm Cedrick.
Hi, I'm Joshua.
Welcome to Namibia2Go Car Rental, your #1 car rental needs. With a fully equipped vehicle like this, you have your tent already and everything. Now what's needed is your fridge, and you need your water, your soft drinks. So my colleague Joshua will now shortly take you how to use the fridge.
This is the fridge that Cedrick is talking about. It's an Engel fridge, which is for quality. To take it off or to bring it closer to you, you just need to remove this hook out, then you push it back. Like you remove it out like this, then here it's reached the point. Then to open it up, you can just open it up like this. Then you can start to use it, or if you want to put up your drinks, then you can just put it on. To switch it on, you just need to turn this button, then you just put it in cool. If you have got water and drinks only, you just need to keep it in cool. But if you got maybe meat or something, or like walls and other things, you can just adjust it #1 or to the freezing point. So it can work all long road or short road, you can just use it your fridge. Okay, so after you fill up your fridge with your drinks or your food, then you can just close it back. Then to push it back, this is how easiest one. You can just push it, as you can see, just slow by slow. Then you can just hang it over here. Then it must be locked, because if you are driving, maybe it's moving, so just make sure that it's locked up here. Then as you can see, it's no more moving, it's just on its positions.
That's how easy it is to use the Engel fridge in your fully equipped vehicle.